Now the program is finished, it is recommended to enter message blocks. For example, write a message before each operation. This can be easily written using the active soft key on the horizontal bar, for example, before face milling. The program can now be simulated to test the sequence visually by pressing the horizontal simulation soft key. Press the auto mode on the machine control panel. Press the delete window soft key, then press zoom auto soft key. The feed rate potentiometer on the machine control panel needs to be set to 100%. Press cycle start button on the machine control panel to start the simulation. In the header, the message you've written in the program will be shown in green text. Here we are at the face milling. First move the cross to the center of the workpiece before using the cursor buttons. The picture can be enlarged with the Zoom Plus soft key. Using the simulation, mistakes can easily be seen. To edit the program for correction, press the Edit soft key.